Friends can be big or small. Friends can be any old size at all. They can run, fly, or swim in the sea. Oh, and friends can bark, chirp, or talk, crawl, trot, or walk. On the sandy beach they can wiggle around. On the wet morning ground, or in a pinch, they can look like you and me.
You go get the morning paper. It's a good boy, Max. You're so good. I'm so proud of you. Come on, we gotta go shopping.